What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best new Aliexpress drone 2022 through extensive research. I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance of its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the top 5 best new drones, I have included link in the description box down, before which are updated for the best price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with new SJRC F11 Pro 4K drone. Its 4K camera gives high dynamic range, ultra-clear image quality that deserves lots of praises. Its self-stabilization mechanical gimbal and electronic image stabilization double stabilization system keep the picture more stable and clearer. With its 5G real-time image transmission and repeater, the drone can reach 3 kilometers and provide you with real-time images where high definition does not delay or freeze. With its GPS satellite positioning system, you will get a more stable flight, and the drone will refuse to lose. Its brushless motors provide strong flying power and longer life. Its folding design makes it easy to carry, and you will get a chance to travel light, keeping it in your backpack or in your hand. You can tap the gesture camera mode through the app, and in just one gesture you can capture photos. You will also find smart follow or auto follow features, waypoint flying mode, flying around mode, filter effects, and much more. You will get chance to switch speed and experience a different flying experience. It has an 11.1 volt, 2500 mAh large capacity smart modular battery that shows real-time display of power, provides long battery life, and it is easy to replace. Up next, we have Beast 3 SG906 Max GPS drone. With a 1 by 3.2 inches 4K high-definition lens, it becomes easy to capture beautiful scenery of the journey. AI intelligence is also provided in it, making it easy to use. With Sony IMX179 image processor, it can capture 4K 25 frames per second high dynamic range video and high dynamic range photos that are bright and dark to be clearly visible. With original forward laser obstacle avoidance system of it, it sends out a light pulse signal from the transmitter, refracts it back after encountering an obstacle, and then receives the signal through a series of calculations to obtain the distance between the aircraft and the obstacle. Compared with traditional visual obstacle avoidance, laser obstacle avoidance can effectively avoid the failure of obstacles due to insufficient light or mirror reflection. It has a 3-axis mechanical stabilization gimbal and an electronic anti-shake effect that can bring a more effective anti-shake effect. These features will bring a more effective anti-shake effect that can easily filter out the image vibration caused by the outside and at the same time guarantee the image quality. It has a pan-tilt zoom protective cover that can give better protection to the lens. It has a lot more features like 5G real-time HD image transmission, about 1,200 meters remote control distance, GPS positioning and returns home features, GPS optical flow mode switching, etc. It has a 7.6 volt, 3,400 mAh safe high-density lithium battery that brings long battery life of about 26 minutes. The very next drone we have is SJRC F7S PRO GPS 4K drone. With its electronic anti-shake shooting and 3-axis mechanical stability enhancement system, whether you hover this 4K pixel aerial camera drone at a fixed point or fly at high speed, the picture is always stable and smooth. This electronic anti-shake system is built into the lens, which can effectively eliminate the shaking when flying, making the aerial shots clearer. It has high-definition 5G image transmission technology that will let you see things almost at the same time your drone is seeing. You will find every frame of the picture clear and smooth, and won't miss any moving moment. You can restore natural colors and let the night glow too. You will find high dynamic range, high resolution, natural color restoration, and light performance that will make the night scene translucent and moving under the lens. No matter how far the plane flies, as long as you click a key to return, it will automatically fly back to your side. It will also return to your side when the power is low or signal losses. Even a novice will be able to handle it with ease. With its real-time power display dynamic battery, it gives about 25 minutes of endurance time, so that you can shoot enough at your favorite place without any problem. Furthermore, we have FUNSNAP DIVA 01 GPS drone in our list. It is equipped with Sony complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor that comes with 13 million effective pixels and 60 frames per second. It will bring better sensitivity to light and give the true-to-life color. It has come with Twoxy's gimbal and electronic image stabilization anti-shaking system that will eliminate image shake caused by flying and give you a much more stable shooting experience. It can resist the wind of about 29 to 38 kilometers per hour and can take off at a height of 4,000 meters at the highest. With its strong power, you can even make it fly on windy seaside without fear. It weighs 430 grams only even with the battery inside, and because of its foldable and portable design, you can easily hold it in hand and take it away with you. Using the app, you can draw a flight path with your finger, and it will follow that flight path. One-click return feature is also there to call your DIVA back when DIVA has a low power. It has optical flow positioning and GPS global positioning that comes with ultrasonic waves and barometers to let it hover much more stable. It also has noise-canceling paddle propellers, a 12-kilometer image transmission feature, headless mode, loss of communication return feature, first-person view, panorama mode, and many more. With 2,250 mAh LiPo3 battery, it provides flight time of about 30 minutes. We can finish it up with Visuo Faith 2S GPS drone. It will provide you with 4K movie-grade high-definition image quality, 20 megapixel surprise details, and incisive texture to let you enjoy awesome video and photo quality. It has a 5-kilometer map transmission that will give you further and clearer picture transmission of distant scenery. It has a stable 3-axis self-stabilizing mechanical pan tilt that makes the flight process stable and balanced, bringing a more stable shooting experience. It has CFly 2 app that has a simple and intuitive interface, and the operations are simple, providing a smoother creative experience. It is equipped with 4 brushless motors that provide superior power service. It supports a variety of shooting modes. During the flight, you can make the camera aim at the target and take the subject as center of the circle. You can draw the waypoint freely or control the aircraft to fly in various ways, such as surround and spiral, so as to help you shoot close-up shots with film texture. Even after thousands of folds, it can still ensure stability during the flight. It will give you about 35 minutes of flight time with its 3,100 mAh battery capacity. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I will see you guys later.